Hello teacher. Was this video because did not present a question. Uh, well, well, I will continue. I will continue with the activity. One question.
How many countries or cities has I been in now? Which one?
Okay. Been 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 a Ibagué and Santa Marta. Been a Ibagué and Santa Marta. Two question.
Tell me about the most unusual food you've ever eaten in your life.
Okay. I have not eaten eight anything show soul or weird and your soul or weird. And your soul or weird. Four, no, one, two, three questions.
What's the best movie you've seen so far?
Okay, the Transformers, the whole saga. Four questions.
What is the worst movie you have seen?
Okay, the worst movie. Sin is more the maths. Name movie maths. Okay, five questions.
Have you ever met a famous person?
Yes, to the kid Valderrama, in Plaza America shopping center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 questions.
What is the best concert you have attended?
Okay. I have not been to any. I have not been to. I have not been to any concert in my life. I have not been any concert in my life. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5, 7 questions.
Have you ever broken a part of your body?
Okay, if our and finger play soccer. Egg question.
What is the most dangerous sport or activity you've ever done?
Okay. Um, I okay. Is is it to go ski? Nine 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 question. Okay, nine question.
What has been
Is
the best trip you've had? What has been the best trip you've had?
it is to it is to Santa Marta, my friend too. Okay, teacher. Thank you. Bye bye.